Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine from Welch's grape juice. First, gather your ingredients. 1 gallon of Welch's 100% grape juice, 1 packet of wine yeast, and about 2 cups of granulated sugar. Ensure your juice contains no preservatives like potassium sorbate, as these can inhibit yeast activity. Thoroughly sanitize all your equipment, including your primary fermenter, airlock, and stirring spoon, to prevent unwanted bacteria. Now, pour the gallon of Welch's grape juice into your sanitized primary fermenter. Add the 2 cups of granulated sugar and stir vigorously until the sugar is completely dissolved. Next, rehydrate your wine yeast according to its package instructions, then pitch it into the juice. Secure the lid onto your fermenter and attach the airlock, filled with a small amount of water, to allow carbon dioxide to escape during fermentation. Place your fermenter in a location where the temperature remains stable, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Over the next 1 to 3 weeks, you will observe bubbling in the airlock, which signifies active fermentation as the yeast converts sugar into alcohol. Once the bubbling slows significantly or stops, primary fermentation is complete. This indicates it is time for the next crucial step in your winemaking process. After primary fermentation, carefully rack your wine off the sediment into a clean secondary fermenter or directly into bottles. This process, called racking, helps clarify the wine. Once bottled, cork or cap your bottles securely. Allow the wine to age for at least a few weeks or even months for improved flavor. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade Welch's grape wine responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.